Can a marble create art? We're about to find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I started by pouring 7 puddles of color across the canvas. White, black, gray, deep blue, light blue, and teal, layered carefully to blend in contrast. Then the fun began. I dropped a marble onto the surface and guided it by tilting the canvas. The marble glided through the paint, creating ribbon-like designs and soft waves that danced across the colors. This part always gets me. Watching the marble carve out its own path feels like painting with gravity and chance. After the marble worked its magic, I tilted the canvas gently to spread the paint and let the whole composition come together. The movement and those calming tones created something that feels like motion frozen in time. If you've never tried this marble technique, it's both playful and powerful. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for the next pour. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative and keep painting.